Hey there, you overthinkers and future overthinkers. Welcome to the Good Word Project. Today we have got a mind-bending topic on our hands, dealing with overthinking. But don't worry, we have got a plan to outsmart that brain of yours. First things first, meet the star of the show, your overactive brain. It's like a hyperactive squirrel on a double espresso, constantly racing with thoughts. But hey, it's just doing its job, right? So what can we do to keep it in its place? Option 1. The art of mindful creativity. Engaging in creative activities like painting, writing, or even crafting can help divert your mind from overthinking. When you are fully immersed in a creative task, your mind gets a break from its usual overactive state. Think of it as a form of meditation through self-expression. Option 2. Schedule your worry time. It may sound funny, but it actually works. Schedule a specific time for worrying. We call it worry time. Instead of allowing those relentless thoughts to take over your entire day, carve out a dedicated window of 15 to 30 minutes daily to confront your worries head on. Whether you jot them down in a journal or engage in a candid conversation with a friend over coffee or a phone call, this structured approach can help you contain and address your concerns effectively. Option 3. Spend time with people who make you laugh. Laughter is indeed the best medicine. Spend time with the people in your life who effortlessly tickle your funny bone. Option 4. The practice of reverse overthinking. Instead of obsessing over our problems, we can try to overthink the solutions instead. That's right. Challenge yourself to brainstorm an excessive number of solutions to a problem, no matter how absurd they may seem. This creativity can lead to unexpected breakthroughs. As we wrap up, remember that dealing with overthinking doesn't have to be a full-time job for your brain. Overthinking may be stubborn, but you are smarter. So are you ready to outwit your overthinking? Hit the subscribe button and join the fun. See you next time on the Good Word Project. Stay witty, stay awesome.